Alright guys, in this video we're going to be going over the syllabus overview, a quick syllabus overview of A-level physics 9702. And yeah, so let's get started. We have two papers in A-level physics. One is going to be a theory-based paper, which is your P4, and other will be your planning and analysis paper, P5. P5 is really similar to P3 of AS physics, but instead of performing a practical, you will be just planning and analyzing a practical. Basically, it's just a practical in written form. So let's go over P4 first. P4 consists of 100 marks, and you're going to be given 2 hours in which you're going to solve around 12 to 13 questions. Can be 11 as well, but it'll be long in that case. So these are going to be structured questions. You're not going to get any MCQs, which will be requiring a lot of reasoning and logic. And your P5 is just your practical in written form. Your first question will be of planning, and your second question will be of analysis. And you're going to be given 1 hour and 15 minutes to complete a 30 marks paper. So at first glance, your P5 seems really easy, and it is really easy. In fact, you can even prepare for P5 in just 1 to 2 months, or 1.5 months would be fine as well. So let's go over P4 and its topics. So we can categorize P4's topics into 4 parts. So number 1 is going to be focusing on your mechanics, uniform circular motion. In AS you had covered motion, but that was linear motion. In A2 you're going to be covering motion, but in a uniform circular fashion. So this is going to be involving arc lengths and radians, angular frequency, centripetal force, centripetal acceleration, and etc. Your gravitation is going to be a very important chapter. In fact, these two chapters are going to be very closely related. You're not going to get a question that involves circular motion but doesn't involve gravitation, or if you do, you're just going to encounter them very rarely, even in past papers. Next comes your oscillation, and yeah, this is also related to pendulums, time periods, and stuff. So this really focuses on the basics of mechanics of physics, and it's a really interesting batch of chapters. Now we're going to be going over the thermal properties. So in the second batch we're going to be covering thermal properties, ideal gases, and thermodynamics. These all are related to temperature. And your third batch focuses on electricity and magnetism and circuits. In AS you had covered DC circuits, and in A2 you're going to be covering alternating currents or AC circuits. And fourth, last but not least, we have our quantum physics, nuclear physics, astronomy, and medical imaging. And I think this is by far the most difficult batch of all, or in fact you can consider them going from easy to hard. So that's a trend over here. Alright, so these were the chapters. And in P5 you're just going to be given some scenarios which are going to be belonging from these chapters. This syllabus is applicable to both P4 and P5, not just P4. So whatever question you're going to get in P5 is going to be related to these chapters, but in a different fashion. Alright, so yeah, this was it. This was a syllabus overview, and hope you guys got a quick understanding of what A2 physics is and how you can tackle it. Alright, I'll be uploading videos regarding full lectures on each of these chapters, so be sure to watch them. Alright, I'll be seeing you in the next one.